As you'll be aware, the Welsh Government has announced that the universities across Wales will be able to resume our on-campus delivery this summer term. As Provost of UWTSD, Swansea and Cardiff campuses, I wanted to update those of you living in the vicinity of our campuses of the arrangements that this university has put in place to welcome our students back, and to reassure you that we are taking all appropriate steps to safeguard the wider community during the ongoing pandemic. Prior to Easter, we prioritised the return of students requiring access to specialist facilities. This term, we're planning the gradual return of the majority of our students to in-person teaching in a phased and managed way over the next few weeks. We've put in place a range of measures as part of our risk-assessed approach to minimise the number of people attending our campus at any given time. These measures include making adjustments to the delivery of our programmes and services, as well as changes to the campus environment, and include providing access to regular testing, as well as the usual COVID-related safety measures that we're all familiar with over the past year. The university values the continued support of the communities we serve, and those close relationships built upon mutual trust established over many, many years. The summer term would normally be the highlight of the academic year, where we welcome many of our community partners onto campus to see our exhibitions, hear concerts, and watch performances put on by our students. Now this year, all that activity has shifted online, and we do hope you're able to join us in viewing some of those online exhibitions and performances. But in the meantime, I'd just like to take a moment to thank you on behalf of the university for your continued support for the university and our students.